alkyl cyanide undergoes Stephen reduction to produce. Now, if alkyl cyanide is treated with SnCl2 in presence of HCl, now it will be converted to imine RCH double bond NH. Now, imine on reacting with water will convert it to aldehyde along with formation of ammonia. Now this is named reaction, and now this reaction is called Stephen's method. Stephen's method is used to convert alkyl cyanide to aldehyde, and hence correct answer is A. Ziegler-Natta catalyst is an organometallic compound containing. So now Ziegler-Natta catalyst is containing titanium tetrachloride TiCl4 and triethyl aluminum AlC2H5 whole thrice. Now these two compounds combine to form Ziegler-Natta catalyst, and Ziegler-Natta catalyst is used to prepare high density polyethylene, and hence it is compound of titanium and aluminum, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find alkyl halide react with dialkyl copper reagent to give. Now if alkyl halide react with organometallic compound R2CuLi, now this organometallic compound is having R negative ion, and this R negative ion will act as strong nucleophile. It will donate pair of electron. Simultaneously carbon hydrogen bond is broken and higher alkanes are formed as a product. Now this is named reaction. R2CuLi is called Gilman reagent, and this reaction is called Core-House reaction, which is used for preparation of symmetrical and unsymmetrical alkane. So correct answer is B. Alkanes are formed as a final product. 2-methyl butane 2-ol can be obtained by acid catalyzed hydration of. Now if first molecule is taken 1-butene, and 1-butene is reacted with dilute H2SO4, so carbocation is formed in first step. Now water act as nucleophile. It will donate pair of electron and it will be converted to alcohol. So secondary butyl alcohol or 2-butanol is formed as a product. Now if we have second molecule but2ene, so now this is but2ene, on reacting with dilute H2SO4 it will form same carbocation. So in this case again carbocation form is secondary carbocation, and reacting this molecule with water it will also give 2-butanol. Now in third case, when we have 2-methyl but2ene on reacting with dilute H2SO4, first of all H positive act as electrophile and carbocation is formed. Now water will act as nucleophile, donate pair of electron to carbocation, and this will convert molecule into 3-degree alcohol. So 2-methyl 2-butanol is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find final product of the reaction. Now this molecule is having multiple bond, double bond. On reacting with dilute H2SO4, dilute H2SO4 give H positive ion. Now this H positive ion will act as electrophile, and this alkene act as nucleophile, donate pair of electron. So carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation is formed, so 2-degree carbocation is formed. Now there is possibility of rearrangement if hydride shift takes place. So after hydride shift it will be converted to more stable benzylic carbocation. So benzylic carbocation is formed. Now this benzylic carbocation will react with water molecule. It will donate pair of electron to carbocation, and after converting to oxonium ion it will lose H positive ion. So finally alcohol is formed as a final product. So correct answer is pH, CH, OH, CH2, CH3, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following is trisaccharide. Now we have stachyose, and this is the structure of stachyose, which is actually tetrasaccharide, because on hydrolysis this molecule give 4 monomeric unit. Now second we have sucrose, and sucrose is disaccharide, because on hydrolysis it will give 2 unit, 1 unit of glucose and 1 unit of fructose. Now we have raffinose. Raffinose is trisaccharide because it is having 3 units. On hydrolysis it will give 3 monomeric unit, and hence correct answer is C. Now fourth is ribose. Ribose is monosaccharide which cannot be further hydrolyzed, and hence correct answer is C. Which of the following statement is false? Cannizzaro reaction is given by aldehyde in presence of alkali. Now this is correct. For example, if we have formaldehyde and is treated with alkali OH negative, then it will give 1 equivalent of acid and 1 equivalent of alcohol. So aldehyde give Cannizzaro reaction. Aldol condensation is given by aldehyde in presence of alkali. Yes, this is also correct. For example, if we have acetaldehyde and treated with OH negative, so it will be converted to CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. So this statement is also correct. Aldol condensation is given by present aldehyde and ketone in presence of acid. This is also correct. Aldol condensation reaction can take place in acidic as well as in basic medium, and hence all are correct, and hence none is false, and correct answer is D. Which one of the following base is not present in DNA? Now in DNA and RNA there is one difference, sugar. In DNA deoxyribose sugar is present, while in RNA ribose sugar is present. In base, both base have cytosine, guanine and adenine, while fourth base thymine is present in DNA, while in RNA uracil is present. So uracil is not present in DNA, and hence correct answer is C. While adenine, cytosine and thymine, they are present in DNA. In fact, cytosine, guanine, adenine are present in both DNA and RNA. Thymine is present in DNA and uracil is present in RNA, and hence correct answer is C. The IUPAC name of the given compound is now CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH, Cl. CH3 is the molecule. Now first we have to select principal chain. Now principal chain must have maximum number of carbon. So this is the principal chain. Now numbering should start from that end which follow lowest set of locant rule. So numbering should start from right end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms are present in main chain. At second position chloro is present, so 2 chloro. At fourth position 2 methyl groups are present, so 4 dimethyl. Total 6 carbon atoms are present in main chain, so hexane, and correct answer is 2 chloro 4 dimethyl hexane, and hence option D is correct. Trans-esterification is the process of. So in trans-esterification, one ester is converted to other ester. For example, if we have methyl acetate and methyl acetate is reacted with ethyl alcohol, now it will be converted to ethyl acetate along with formation of methyl alcohol. So one ester is converted to another ester, and this process is called trans-esterification, and hence correct answer is C. conversion of one ester into another ester. In this question we have to find absolute configuration of the compound. So to find absolute configuration, first we have to identify chiral carbon. So these are two chiral carbon atoms present in the molecule. Now numbering should be done according to IUPAC rule. So now this is first carbon, this is second carbon, third, fourth and 5 carbon atoms are present. So we have to identify configuration of second carbon and third carbon. Now to decide configuration, first we have to decide priority of group attached with chiral carbon. Now out of 4 group, chlorine is having maximum priority and hydrogen is having minimum priority. Now out of CH3, out of this CH3 and this carbon, now this carbon is further connected with chlorine, so this is given higher priority. So according to CIP sequence rule, it is 1, 2, 4 and 3. Now we have to move from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and moving from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, we are moving clockwise. So configuration should be R, but least priority group is not present in vertical line, it is present in horizontal line. So configuration and second carbon should be S. So 2S. Now at third position, again Cl is given highest priority and hydrogen is given minimum priority. Now this carbon is further connected with chlorine carbon hydrogen, while lower carbon is connected with carbon and hydrogen. So this is given higher priority, it is 1, 2 and this is 3. So first priority is given to Cl, second priority is given to that carbon from which Cl is attached, third priority is given to C2H5 and fourth priority is given to hydrogen. Now moving from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, we are going clockwise, and if we are moving clockwise then configuration should be R, but least priority is not present in vertical line, so configuration will be S. So at second carbon configuration is S, at third carbon configuration is S. So 2S, 3S is correct answer, and his correct answer is B. In this reaction we have to identify compound A in the given reaction. Now halobenzene is taken. Halobenzene normally does not react with nucleophile, but if electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho and para position, then reaction takes place according to SN2AR reaction. So in this case NO2 group is present at para position of fluorine group, so electron withdrawing group is present. So now in this case reaction may takes place. Now OH negative will act as nucleophile, so that Mesenheimer complex negative ion is formed. Now this negative ion will be stabilized by electron withdrawing behavior of NO2 group. Now this negative ion is further stabilized by NO2 group. At last step, after resonance, F negative is removed and it will be finally converted to nitrophenol. So this is the formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is A. The molecular formula C3H9N cannot represent. So from C3H9N we can draw a structure of 1 degree amine, we can draw a structure of 2 degree amine, we can draw a structure of 3 degree amine. So 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, they all can be drawn by molecular formula C3H9N. But from this formula we cannot form quaternary salt, and hence correct answer is D. A solution of -1 chloro 1 phenylethane. So 1 chloro 1 phenylethane. Now this molecule is 1 chloro 1 phenylethane. Now on reacting with SbCl5, SbCl5 act as strong Lewis acid and it will abstract Cl negative and it will be converted to SbCl6 negative. So after removal of Cl negative, it will be converted to planar carbocation in which HCH3 and PH are attached by sp2 hybridized carbon. Now sp2 hybridized carbon atom is planar, and now Cl negative can attack from either of the side. It can attack from front, it may also attack from back side. So we will get equimolar mixture of two optically active compound. If Cl attack from front, now we are getting this molecule, and if Cl is attacking from back, then its enantiomer is formed in which Cl is present away from the viewer, backside, hydrogen is front. There is equal possibility of attack of Cl negative from front and backside. So enantiomers are formed in equal amount. So we are getting a racemic mixture, and formation of racemic mixture confirm presence of carbocation, and hence correct answer is A.